He defied threats of global economic sanctions to establish India as a nuclear state. He went the extra mile to Lahore on a bus to offer peace with Pakistan. But he did not hold back when his peace efforts were sabotaged by a war with the neighbor. Atal Bihari Vajpayee's foreign policies and achievements helped India to establish itself as one of the global powerhouses in a very short time. Here is a look at 5 such instances that stood out as Vajpayee's legacy. Pokhran. Despite immense pressure from the international quarters, Vajpayee pulled off an unthinkable feat only days into his second stint as the Prime Minister. India bluffed the prying eyes of United States satellites to carry out 2 nuclear tests in Pokhran on 11 and 13 May 1998. This was in defiance of the non-proliferation efforts by the West. Vajpayee declared that the tests were conducted only as a deterrence and that India believed in the no first use policy. But the West condemned the tests and imposed economic sanctions on India. The Pokhran tests had strained India's relations with the United States, but Vajpayee initiated diplomatic efforts to normalize the ties. In 1998, India and US engaged in a diplomatic dialogue which extended for 3 years. In March 2000, US President Bill Clinton visited India as first president in 22 years after President Jimmy Carter. During this visit, the two countries signed a very comprehensive document, India Relations, a vision for the 21st century. This laid the foundation of future ties between the two countries, which still exists. Vajpayee initiated talks with Pakistan to ease tension between the two nuclear powers in 1999. In February, Vajpayee took a bus to Lahore and signed Lahore Declaration with Pakistan's Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif. In the Lahore Declaration, India and Pakistan agreed to take steps to normalize relations amid tension born out of the nuclear tests. However, it ended abruptly when Pervez Musharraf overthrew Sharif in a coup after the Kargil War. In 2003, China officially recognized Indian sovereignty over Sikkim as the two countries moved towards resolving their border disputes. During Vajpayee's visit to China, the two nations signed a border trade deal among several agreements. China agreed to call Sikkim a state and allowed Canggu as the border trading point. It was a de facto recognition of Sikkim as part of India. Vajpayee also helped India establish strong relations with the ASEAN countries. He emboldened India's Look East policy to build closer ties with the countries in Southeast Asia and East Asia that went beyond just economics or trade. It is this initiative that has now transformed into Act East policy under the Modi government.